How to fix send snaps not being saved by friends. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix send snaps not being saved by friends. So let's begin. The first thing is update your Snapchat to the latest version. After you do that, you can open up your Snapchat, and after you've opened up your Snapchat, this is my friends section. Now whenever I send them a snap, I want them to save it, but if they can't do that, that might be because you send it using timer. So what I mean is, when you take a snap, and after you take a snap, when you try to send it, you have enabled this timer. If you enable this timer, they actually can't save the snap because the timer runs out and the photo goes away. So if you don't want that to happen, just select this infinity that will allow your friends to save your snaps. As it says right here, snaps and stories are set to no limit, and loop or bounce video can be saved by friends. So that means that after you set this to infinity, your snaps are or is being able to saved by your friends. So you can just send it like this and you're good to go. And that's how you fix your sent snaps not being saved by friends. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.